Hi everyone. Going to be going over the upper body flexibility portion of this week. So the first one is a door lat stretch. You can do this basically anywhere that you can grab onto something. Couch door works pretty good. You can use the door frame. But you're going to grab onto it with both hands, standing about so far away, and then walk your hips back, kind of pushing downwards with your hands so you feel a bit of a stretch in your chest. Tighten the abs, and you're going to turn your feet away and then push your chest that direction. So I'll go ahead and do it this way. So turn your feet that way, push your chest that direction, and you're going to feel that stretch here in the rib cage. Hold that, do some nice breathing, come back to this center, and then just gently walk yourself back up. Next up is the wall scapular stretch. Gonna do that against this wall. Yeah, that'll probably be best. So you're gonna come up to the wall, put your hand on the back of it, kind of at like about a 45-degree angle, push in with your hand, and then just kind of rotate your torso towards your arm. You're gonna feel that stretch up in here, back of the shoulder, into the shoulder blade. Nice calm breathing. Make sure you're still pushing your hand into the wall slightly, so that when you rotate, you're not just jamming into your shoulder joint. Nice calm breathing, up nice and tall. Do both sides. Hold for about 30 seconds or so. I forgot what the next thing is. Yes, okay. Do a little editing there. Whatever. Next up is the backwards lean and reach. So I'll go from the side view for this. So you're just going to stand nice and tall, tighten the abs, tighten the glutes, so you push your hips forward a little bit, and then you're going to lean back a little bit, take your arms, and reach. So you're reaching your hands kind of along the line of your torso as far as you can, and then come back. Retighten, squeeze, lean back, hold that position, and then reach. Take 2 breaths. Let the arms down, stand back up. You don't have to lean very far, right? If you're just here, and just go like this, that's pretty good. You just want to feel a tension in the chest, and you're kind of allowing your arms to hang so that you're stretching in this region here. Next up is the forward fold. So standing position, locking the abs, locking the glutes. You're going to lean or push your hips back, kind of keeping your head away from the ground so you're not letting it fall forwards. You're going to feel a lot of tension in the hamstrings here. Once you hit that point, then you're going to allow yourself to round down into the upper back. So from this position, you can rock side to side, just kind of feeling that into the leg on that side, and then down again into the lats. Kind of think about your head being very heavy. Or if you want to, you can grab your elbows, kind of use that to really lever yourself down. And again, just that gentle rocking side to side. When you're coming up, make sure you're squeezing, driving your hips forwards so that you keep your back safe. Last one for the upper body flexibility. You're going to come down onto the ground. This is the upper spinal floor twist. So you're going to get into a stacked position, shoulder over shoulder, hip over hip, knee over knee, and I guess ankle over ankle actually, because you want to be in this nice 90-degree position. So like you're sitting on a chair. Bottom hand, the one on the ground, goes onto your knees. You're going to pin your knees together slightly. You just want to make sure they don't move. Top hand goes up. You let your head relax down, and then you're trying to just let that arm be heavy and sink down at about a 45-degree angle. Try not to let your knees shift when you're doing this. And you want to feel a bit of a pec stretch. So if you go too low, you're not going to get into the pec. If you go too high, you're also not going to get into the pecs. You want it to be in that 45-ish degree range. And that's just nice calm breathing. When you're done, bring that hand all the way back over. Let it lead you back up to your starting position. Switch sides, and then do the other one. And there we go. That is the upper body flexibility. Have fun with those.